Hey guys, what's up? I have here a 2019 Ford Edge. The Ford Edge, the battery is all stuck under here. You have to remove the air filter box here and get to the battery, okay? Also, you have to put Eage battery in this thing. Okay guys, that's the air filter box, air filter housing. Again, you got to remove the box. It's 8 mm bolts here with a bracket bolts down here. Loose that out. Take out this positive cable, pull the battery in front, and you can be able to get the negative. Okay guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.